Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best hair care products on the market today. In today's episode, we're diving deep into a standout product for anyone sporting dreadlocks or looking to manage curly hair. We're talking about the Locs Hair Locking Dreads Moisturizer. This moisturizer has gained a reputation as one of the best dreadlock hair products available, and today, we're going to find out why. The Locs Hair Locking Dreads Moisturizer comes in a convenient 8-ounce container, perfect for regular use. Priced at around $23.49, this product promises to moisturize, retwist, and tame your locks without leaving behind any residue or buildup, which is a common concern among dreadlock wearers. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this moisturizer so special. One of the standout features of this product is its commitment to clean ingredients. It is formulated without harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, silicones, and phthalate. Instead, it boasts an impressive list of organic and natural ingredients. The key components include aloe vera leaf juice, hydrolyzed wheat protein, argan oil, and jojoba oil. These ingredients work together to provide deep hydration, promoting healthier and shinier locks. Using this product is incredibly straightforward. The recommended amount is about the size of a dime to a nickel, which you simply rub into your palms before applying it to your hair. It's essential not to over-apply, as a little goes a long way. You can use your fingers to work the moisturizer through your locks or to palm roll them for a neat finish. What I love about the Locs Moisturizer is its versatility. It's designed for all types of locks, whether you have traditional dreadlocks, microlocks, or braids. Not only does it help with styling, but it also combats frizz effectively. The gel penetrates into your hair, sealing open cuticles and preventing those pesky flyaways. This product isn't just for seasoned lock wearers, it's also ideal for those just starting their lock journey. The lightweight, creamy texture makes it easy to use without the risk of heavy buildup that can weigh down your hair. Many users have reported that their locks feel revitalized and healthier after consistent use. Another notable aspect of Locs is its commitment to being vegan and cruelty-free. This aligns with the values of many consumers who prioritize ethical products in their hair care routines. And for those of you who are environmentally conscious, you'll appreciate that this product is made in the USA, using hand-picked ingredients. So, to recap, the Locs Hair Locking Dreads Moisturizer is a game-changer for anyone with locks. With its organic formulation, effectiveness in moisturizing and styling, and commitment to ethical production, it stands out as one of the best options available. Whether you're trying to maintain your existing locks or embarking on your locking journey, this product is certainly worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you've tried the Locs Moisturizer or have any other products you'd like us to review, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews, tips, and tricks on all things hair care. Until next time, take pride in your hair.